Hi, my name's Todd, and this is my dooryard. So yet again, I get a day off, and it rains. And the rain is supposed to be getting more and more rainy throughout the day until about around midday. A little bit later on, it's going to be like a cow pissing on a flat rock. So, yeah. It's currently 51 degrees, foolish. That would make it around 10.5 degrees civilized. So I don't know as well I'm going to do much outdoors today. I got these 3 items here that all still need cleaning up. But, yeah, I don't want to expose the indoors to the harsh chemical odors that it's going to take to do that. My lower shock mounts finally showed up. I suppose I could get these scuffed off a little bit and prepped for paint. Here's my lower motor mounts. These get sanded off a little bit, bust that bit of flaky stuff off there, and get these prepped for paint. They're all still plenty good. I had this thing that was on one side. I'm not sure what the hell it was supposed to be. Maybe it was like that. Yeah. Nope, that ain't it. Okay. Now I've got it stuck on there. The hell, Todd? There we go. Hey, hey. I don't remember exactly how this went. I think maybe it was like that. Except, I have no idea what the hell these... I know it only went on one way. Any guesses? Am I missing one of these that should be on this one? What's this guarding against? It didn't really appear to be... I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so using the big awning umbrella, keep the direct rain off it. Got these all cleaned up and given their first squirt of paint, well, primer. I packed all the threads with grease, so the paint will just wipe right off them once we're done. And we'll count on the Never Seas to keep those from getting all gooey. But considering the cool, damp conditions, we're going to give these probably a good 45 minutes before we're ready to do a light sand and squirt with some enamel. And I don't know if I'll have anything else going on for today, but yeah, I do have to take the trash out, so I guess that's next. Yeah, so the rain's coming in a little bit stouter now. It's more than just a mist. I'm gonna screw with those mounts and you know, the motor mounts and the lower shock mounts a little bit more. I won't watch you guys watch paint dry. That'd be kind of mean of me, wouldn't it? But yeah, so I guess today is more of just an update than anything else. I feel like I need to keep you guys posted, but you know, slow going. We'll keep on scratching that itch. Eventually we'll get it all scratched out. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you do subscribe, you click down on the little drop down menu, a little black bell icon will notify you of any new videos I post, which, you know, I try to get out at least once a week. Hey, it's actually raining now. Hold on a second. All right, I'll get under the awning on the porch. That's better. Give us a thumbs up if you would be so kind. I mean, it doesn't cost you anything, and it definitely helps the channel move around, get more views at it. I'm kind of beside myself with the pace I'm going at recently. I gotta get moving. Gotta get making stuff happen. But you know, it all takes money, and we gotta wait for that cycle to happen so the money comes in before I can send it out. All right. I appreciate you guys sticking with me. I'll catch you next time. This has been an Empty Pockets production.